So how often should you post, and how do you get more engagement on your post? Now, if you're brand new to Facebook, you're not getting a lot of engagement. I would say at least twice a day. Um, but make it at least 8 hours apart. Otherwise, your posts compete with each other. Do this for the first month or two. And after that, you could start leveling out to maybe once a day. The next thing to get massive engagement is to start engaging. So go to your homepage in your newsfeed and spend at least 30 to 60 minutes in your newsfeed commenting on people's posts. Now, don't try and hack Facebook. Facebook can actually calculate how long it takes to read a post and how long you've spent before you've liked or commented on the post. So that will bring me to point number two. Don't just comment little one short stupid words like awesome or great stuff or something like that. Start a conversation or thank the guy or give your opinion, and people will come to appreciate that. Most marketers will also return the favor and comment back on your Facebook post. So that is another way of getting your engagement up. Then one thing that I religiously do is before I start my news feeds for the day, I go to my post of yesterday and I actually go and comment on everybody who has commented on my post. I go comment on theirs. And in turn, I do something decent. Another great tip to build a bit of relationship is the people that commented on your post. And I'm not saying do it every day, and I'm not saying repeat it to everybody, but open up Messenger and send them a thank you message for commenting on your post. Ask them how's their day or wish them a lovely day. Say thank you for commenting on my post. I appreciate it. And that builds quite a bit of trust and friendship in the Facebook community. Another great hack to get quite a bit of engagement on your Facebook is at the end of your post, ask a question. And people would have something to consider commenting about. That will definitely get you more engagement. Then another trick that I've picked up with Facebook is the first 5 comments to your post. Reply to them as fast as you can. If you receive a 6th comment, just leave it alone for an hour or two and then comment on the next 5 and give it a bit of a break and comment on the next 5. That way Facebook thinks this post is well on the move, and it continues showing the post to more people. And that is basically the tips I can give you to get more engagement.